Hi everyone, good evening. RANA SIR is here. Welcome to our RANA SIR educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is an arithmetic progression. That stands for, that is written in shortcut form, that is AP. A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. Now today I will explain some question. I will solve some question which are related to nth term of an AP series. Okay, student, AP series means arithmetic progression. So I am going to suggest you have to take one copy, that is notebook, and one pen, and you have to sit at your location properly. Now further you have to you watch this live video continuously and properly from starting to end for developing good knowledge on this topic, or updating and developing good knowledge on this topic. Okay students, so simultaneously you also like this live video, you share this educational channel with your colleagues, friend and student, and also you subscribe this educational channel also, and also you share this video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can improve their knowledge on this topic. Topic name is the arithmetic progression, yeah, in other words we can say that an arithmetic progression. Okay student, now further I am going to take numerical which are based on an arithmetic progression, that is nth term of an arithmetic progression. Okay student, so you concentrate on this live video and also you see how I am going to solve it. Okay student, each and every student can solve it, because this is the mathematics which is class of 10th, that is English medium, and that is also based on NCERT pattern, that is CBSE board. Okay student, so further I am going to describe its concept clearly. Okay student, now further I have to also explain. So this is the free online coaching classes, therefore you attend this class from 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past to 8 p.m. Okay student, so you continuously present on this live video for updating, that is improving your knowledge on this topic. Okay student, now further I am going to explain one time class 10th mathematics, that is the English medium, and it is based on NCERT pattern, and this belongs in CBSE board. Okay student, so this is the chapter number 5, because chapter number 1 whose name is real number already I have described with you, and you can go in my live video section, and there you can watch easily. Okay student, if you need in Hindi medium, so you go in my video section portion, and there you can also observe there. Okay student, so from there you can learn. Similarly, second chapter whose name is polynomial, that is also interpreted by me, that is explained by me. Okay, that is also available in Hindi medium and also in English medium, but in the case of live section you will get only in English medium. Okay student, and third chapter whose name is pair of linear equation in two variables, I have already explained same. Okay student, previous, and fourth is quadratic equation, I have already explained before this chapter, and fifth is whose name is arithmetic progression, because some theory I have explained. Now here I am going to solve some questions which are based on nth term of an AP series. Okay student, how this concept can be applied in the word problem. Okay student, in the word problem here I have written, and I will use this concept. After using, I will find the nth term of the given information which are available in the question. Okay student, so all concept here I will explain. Now further I am going to apply the concept of nth term of an AP series. Okay student, so this is the question number 1 I have taken it from the textbook. Now this concept I will apply here, and after applying I will obtain the solution of this question. So first of all I am going to read this written question. So written question is written here. It determines the general term of an arithmetic progression. A stands for arithmetic, B stands for progression. So we have to get the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Full stop here given. Whose seventh term is 1, whose seventh term is -1, and 16th term is 17. So these are the information which are given in the question, and we will apply or we will use or utilize these information, and then we will write the nth general term of an AP. General term of an AP. Okay, student. So these are the information, and I have to apply. After applying, we will get nth term, that is general term of an AP series. Okay, student. So first of all, I am going to solve it. In first step, you have to write solution. After writing solution, you have to write information which are given in the question. So given information is that here I will say let first term will be let first term be A. Here I am going to assume first term be A and common difference here I have to write common difference is here common difference D. Here I am writing here common difference D. So we have to write general term of an AP. So here I have assumed first term be A and common difference be B. So that general term can be written like this. So that general term can be written as AN, which is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So that general term can be written as AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So these are the information, and this information we have to find the value of A and the value of D from the given information which are available in the question, because here given whose seventh term is -1 and 16th term is 17. These informations are given, and I will say this is the equation number 1, and in this equation I will put its value, and after putting its value I will get two equations in two variables. One variable will be A and other variable will be B. Now here is also a variable, but I have to find its term. How many terms will be there? Okay, student. So first of all, here I will say given information is available in the question. Here I will write given that that is also available here. Here seventh term that is given. Seventh term is -1, that is also given, and here also given 16th term. 16th term whose value is 70, that is also given in the question. So these are the two informations, and after using these two informations I will get the value of A and B, and after that we will substitute the value of A and which is equal to something. Okay, student. So these are the information. First of all, I have to assume the first term be A and the common difference will be D, and this information I will write in nth term of an AP nth term of an AP series. So that nth term will be AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, student, and below information which are given in the question I have written here. Seventh term is equal to -1, that is given in question, and 16th term which is equal to 70, that is also given in question. Okay, student. So further I will use this term for getting the value of A and B. After getting the value of A and B, and then we will substitute here. After substituting, I will get nth term of that information which are asked in the question. That information is such that we have to find the general term of an AP series. Okay, students, so we have to find the general term of an AP series, and that AP series will be as AN, which is equal to A plus, in the bracket I have to write here N minus 1 into D. Okay, student, now according to this information I have to write here. Okay, student, now for the above data I am going to use. Now this information I am going to say here, because after getting the value of A and D, I will substitute here. After substituting here, I will find the nth term of that AP series. That is AP sequence, yeah, AP series. Okay, student, so that information I have written. Now for that I will say this nth term I will substitute here, because here in this condition I will say the value of n is 7 and its seventh term will be minus 1. So this information I am going to use in the equation number first. So here I am going to erase above information because we have to complete. So seventh term I have to find. Its seventh term is minus 1, so I will put here minus 1, which is equal to value of A is A and value of n is 7 minus 1 into D. I have to put here D. So I will simplify it. After simplify I will write. So this will be minus 1, which is equal to A. This is plus sign and this is also plus sign. So I will subtract minus 1 from the 7. So I will get 6 into D. In other words, we can write A plus 6D and minus A. I will take A plus 6D in left hand side and minus 1 I will put in right hand side. There will be no change in sign. Okay, student. So this information you have to know clearly. A plus 6D, which is equal to minus 1. I will say this is the equation number 2 because equation number 1 already I have assumed here. Okay, student. So equation number 1 I have assumed here. So I will say this is the equation number 2. Okay. So this information I have used in this equation. After using, I have got the value. I have got a equation that equation is available in the form of A and B. That is written as A plus 60, which is equal to minus 1. So I have told, yeah, I have written equation number 2. Now same condition, that is 16th term, which is equal to 17. So this information I will use here. Okay, student. So here I am going to erase this one and I will write here. So in the place of n is available 17 and A17 is given here 17. So I will put here 17, which is equal to A plus, in the place of n I will put 16. Here 16 minus 1 into I will put here B. Okay, student, further I will simplify it. After simplification I will get this value, that is 17 is equal to A, and here I will write 16 minus 1, that will be 15 B. Same condition I will use, same process I will use here. A plus 15A I will put in left hand side and 17, value of 17 I will put in right hand side. There will be no change in expression. So I will write here, it implies that A plus 15 B, which is equal to 17. So here I have assumed equation number 2. So this will be equation number 3. So this will be equation number 3. Okay, student. So according to information which are given in the question, I have used, and after using I have got two equations in two variables. One variable is A and other variable is B. So I have got equation number 2 and also equation number 3. So these are pair of linear equation in two variables. One variable is A and other variable is D. So I will solve. After solving, we will get the value of A and D. So the value of A and D can be possible. It means that this is also a straight line and this is also a straight line. If these two straight line will meet at a point. After meeting at a point, I will say we have to calculate the intersection point. That intersection point will be a comma b. It means that any point can be written in the form of x comma y. In the place of x, here I have assumed a. In the place of y, I have also assumed d. Okay, student. It means that both lines are intersecting each other. In other words, we can say that both lines are not parallel to each other. It means that if both lines will not parallel to each other, it means that both line will intersect at a point, and on that point we have to calculate the value of the x coordinate and also y coordinate. So in other words, we can say that if one line has slope m1 and other line has slope m2, it means that, yeah, in other words, we can say that m1 not equal to m2. In other words, we can say that both lines are not parallel to each other. It means that both lines are intersecting at a point, therefore I am getting the point of intersection. So that point of intersection I can obtain by a concept. That concept, there are two concepts are existing, and both concepts I have already interpreted, that it described here, explained in the quantitative pair of linear equation in two variables. That chapter. In that chapter I have already explained. One method is the elimination method and other method is the substitution method. Both method I have explained their theory and also some questions I have solved there. Okay, student. So that concept I will apply here. After applying, I will get the value of a and d, and after getting the value of a and d, I will put here. After putting, I will get the nth term of the given question, and that nth term can be written as general term of an APCD. Nth term and general term both are same. Okay, student. So some person is saying nth term of an APCD, and some person can say general term of an APCD. Both have same meaning. Okay, student. So further I am going to also explain. These are two lines. So one line is going like this. This is the line yellow one, and this is the line yellow one, and other is the line yellow two. Other name is L2. So both lines are intersecting, and I am getting the point of intersection. It means that yellow line and L2 line, both lines has different slope. Therefore, I will get the point of intersection. That point of intersection will be A comma B. So A comma B. Any point can be written in the form of x comma y. So here, in the place of x, I have written A, and in the place of y, I have written. In the place of y, I have written here b. So any point can be written x comma y, and in the place of x I have written here a. In the place of y I have written here b. It means that here, in other words, we can say that the yellow line has slope m1 and L2 line has slope m2. Slope means we have to take inclination from the x-axis. That is known as slope. Okay, student. So that is available in Hindi medium, but English medium I will say slope. So what line M1 has slope M1 and line L2 has slope M2. Therefore, I will say here M1 not equal to M1 is not equal to M2. It means that both lines are intersecting at a certain point, and we have to calculate that point of intersection. It means that we have to get the value of A and also the value of B. So here I will get. So in the general equation of straight line, I have written there A1 but B1 not equal to A2 divided by B2. This information I have explained in the chapter number 3, whose name is pair of linear equation in two variables. I have already explained there. So that concept is existing here in equation number 2 and also in equation number 3. And I will use any one method from two methods. One method is elimination method and other method is substitution method. So one method I will use, and after using I will calculate the value of A and also the value of B. That will be the intersection point, and that point can be written as A comma B. Okay, student. So after getting intersection point, value of A and the value of B, I will substitute in the nth term. After putting the value of A and B, I will find a last term of an AP series. Last term of an AP series, that will be nth term, and that nth term is also called, known as the general term of an AP series. Okay, student. So this concept I will apply. After applying, I will get the value of A and B. After getting its value, I will put in the above equation, and after putting above equation, I will find the general term of an AP series. Okay, student. So further, I am going to erase unwanted data from here, and then after erasing, I will solve it. After solving, I will find its value. Okay, student. So I am going to simplify equation number 2 and equation number 3. Further, I am going to write it in proper way. A plus 6d, which is equal to -1, and I have told it equation number 2. So here I will write A plus 15d, which is equal to 17, and I have written this is the equation number 3. So now this information I am erasing. Now here I have to use substitution method, and after using substitution method, and then I will simplify. Here I will write on subtracting. Here I have to put subtracting. When I will put here subtracting, so I will change each term sign. So A has sign plus, so I will put here minus. 15B has sign plus, so I will put here minus sign. So 50 also has sign plus, so I will put here minus. So plus sign and minus sign will cut. Now here minus 6, 15 is available here because this 15D has sign minus, not plus 15D. So minus 15, here I consider minus 15D, and here I have to consider plus 16D. So minus 15D plus 16, I will write 9D. So its sign will be minus 9D, which is equal to this is minus and this is minus. So I will put here minus and I will add. So this is 7 and 1, 8. That will be 18. Okay, student. So again, after simplify, I will set this minus sign and this minus sign is going to cancel. So I will write here 9D, which is equal to 11. So I will write D is equal to 18 divided by 9. After simplify, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18. So here I have to write the value of D is equal to 2. So value of D I have here I have to write value of D, not B. So here value of D. So value of D here I have found the value of D is 2. So here I have written the value of D is 2. Now further I will put the value of D in equation 2 or in equation 3. In any equation I will put, after putting I will get the value of A. So I am going to put the value of D in equation 2. After putting I will simplify. After simplify I will get the value of A. Okay, student. So I hope that you are knowing very well how we have to calculate value of A and D by using substitution method or elimination method. Any method you can apply. Okay, but here I am going to apply substitution method for calculating its value. Okay, student. Now further I have calculated the value of D, which is equal to 2. Okay, student. So value of D I have set here the value of D, which is equal to 2. Now I hope that each and every information you have noted on your notebook. Now further I will erase it. After erasing I will find the value of A with respect to D. So value of D I will substitute here. So I will erase the above data. After erasing I will write one statement, and that statement I will follow. After following I will get the value of A. Okay, student. So if you have any confusion or any doubt, so you comment and I will see your comment, and positively I will reply answer of your comment. Okay, student. So if you have any doubt or query or any issue, so you ask, so that issue that comment I will simplify, I will solve. After solving I will positively inform you. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase above data. So I have to write equation number 2. So rest information I am going to erase. Rest information I am going to use from the blackboard. Okay, student. Now further I have to write equation number 2. So I have to write equation number 2 as. So that equation number 2, that is a plus 60 minus 1. That is the equation number 2. Here I will write putting the value of D in equation number 2, comma, we get. So that information I have to use here. Okay, student. Now further here I have written one information, and each and every student has to take its Hindi meaning, because each and every student will take its Hindi meaning. So general concept will develop in their mind. Okay, student. Putting the value of D in equation 2, and then we get. So this information I will apply in the above equation number 2. After applying, I will write like this. So here I have to write A. Now 6 in the place of D, I have to put the value of D, which is equal to 2. So here I will put here 2, and then I will put here minus 1. Now here further I will simplify A. Here plus is W, I have to write plus 6 to the 12. Here I will write 12, which is equal to minus 1. So after it I will simplify, imply that here I will say A, which is equal to minus 1 is W, and this plus 12 will go in right hand side, it will change its sign, that will be minus 12. So after simplification I can say that A is equal to minus 12 and minus 1, that will be minus 13. So value of A I have obtained here minus 13. So value of A I am also saving here. Okay, student. So now here I have got the value of A, which is equal to minus 13, and also the value of A, which is equal to 2, and the value of A and B I will substitute the assumption equation, that is nth term equation, and after putting I will get nth term of an AP series, that is the requirement of the question. So according to this way I have to get the nth term, that is general term of an AP series. Okay, student. So if you have any doubt, you have any confusion, so that confusion you comment, and I will see your issue, and after seeing positively I will reply. Okay, student. So now further I am going to erase, and after erasing I will write one statement, and after writing that statement I will substitute the value of A and also value of D in the above expression. After substituting I will find general term of and AP series. Okay, students. So further I am going to erase here for further calculation purpose. Okay, student. So here I am going to erase it. So here I will write above information an, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I have assumed this is the equation number 1. I have already assumed in previously. Okay, students. Now further here I will write the statement, and that statement will be such that here I will write putting the values, because here there are two values of A and D. We in equation here I have to write in equation number 1 we get, and then here I will write we get. So that will be like this: an, which is equal to the value of A, here A will minus 13, so here I will put minus 13 plus here in the bracket n minus 1 into the value of D is 2. Okay, student. So after putting the value of A and D in the equation number 1 from here, so after putting I have got the n which is equal to minus 13 plus n minus 1 into 2. So 2 is the value of D and minus 13 is the value of A. Okay, student. Further I am going to simplify. After simplifying I will write that is the general term या inner term of an AP series. Okay. It will so further I am going to erase above information. After erasing above information, and then I will simplify. After simplification, I will write its unit term, that is general term. So I have to write AL, which is equal to minus 13, and then 2 is multiplied with here and 2 is also multiplied with minus 1. So I will write here 2n minus 2. Again I will simplify 2n, I will write before, and then here minus 13 and minus 12, that will be minus 15. Okay student, so this is the general information I have written here. Okay student, so this is the general term of an arithmetic progression. So here I will write this is general term of an arithmetic progression. So this is the answer. Okay student, so this is the answer I have written here. Okay students, so this is the general term of an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. A stands for arithmetic and P stands for progression. So according to this way, solution of such question can be solved easily. Okay student, so it is very easy and such question can be asked in your board exam. Board exam can be CBSE board or UP board. So both type student can be solved such type of question according to this way. Okay student, so this is the right way solution and how you have to get. First of all, you have to get the value of A and D. It means that both lines are not parallel to each other. Means I will say line L1 has slope M1 and line L2 has slope M2. It means that both slopes are not equal to each other. It means that both lines are intersecting at a point, and that point at intersection I have calculated, and after calculating I have got the value of A, which is equal to minus 13, and the value of B, which is equal to 2, and the value of A and D I have substituted in the above information, that is in above data, and after calculating I have got that information is available like this: AN, which is equal to 2n minus 15. Okay student, so this is the answer of the given question. According to this way I have solved. Okay student, so this is the final answer. If you are getting good knowledge according to on this topic, so you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, students, and also friends, so that they can also update and develop their knowledge on this topic, and also simultaneously you subscribe this channel more and more. Okay student, now you concentrate on this live video. Now I am going to take another question from the textbook. I will also solve. That is also based on the arithmetic progression, that is based on inner term of an AP series. We have to apply the inner term of an AP series for solving the question, which question I am going to take from the textbook. Okay student, so further I am going to erase this question and its solution also. Okay student, after erasing I will take question from the textbook, which is also based on nth term of an AP series. Okay students, now further I am going to write it. So that question I am going to take from the textbook. You concentrate here. So for next question I am going to take from the textbook, that is written how many numbers. Now here I am going to write the question number 2. How many numbers? How many numbers? How many numbers of 2 digits? Of 2 digits. How many numbers of 2 digits are divisible by divisible are divisible by 7 are divisible by 7. Okay, student. So this is the question, and which is also based on unit term of and ABCD. Okay, student. You have to concentrate on this question because this question is very complicated. So I will give its solution in simple way, so you can easily understand how we have to solve it. Okay, how many numbers we have to calculate number according to question. How many numbers are 2 digits? It means that 2 digit number can be written from 10 to 99. So 2 digit number, all numbers which we have to write from 10 to 99. So from 10 to 99, all number will be up to digit. All number will be up to digits. So first number will be 10 and last number will be 99. So between 10 and 99, all number will be up to digit. Okay, student. So you have to read clearly, and after reading clearly, and you have to take clear meaning. Therefore, you will understand what information is written in the question. Okay, student. So we have to find numbers, any numbers, and that number will be in the form of 2 digits are divisible by 7. We have to take only those numbers which are available from 10 to 99, and that number must be divisible by 7. So that information is given here. That number is divisible by 7. So I am going to write its solution. How we have to solve it? Here I will write information given in the question. Given that we have to write here 2 digit number. 2 digit numbers are here. I have to write information 2 digits numbers. 2 digit numbers are here. I have to write 2 digit numbers are. I will write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. It will go up to 99. It will go up to 99. So I will write here information up to 99. Up to 99. Okay, student. So these are the information which are given in the question. We have to write given that 2 digit numbers are. That number will be like this: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. We have to write up to 99. So from 10 to 99, all numbers will be of 2 digits. Okay, student. Now further we have to take only those numbers which are divisible by 7. It means that first number I will consider here. I will take 14, 21, 28, 35, and so on. Last digit I will say up to 98. Up to 98. It means that each divisible by seven. Each divisible by 7. That information I have to write here. So 2 digit number I have written here from 10 to 99, but only those number we have to take. Those number can be divisible by 7, that is given in the question. Okay, student. So I will segregate those number from this set. So 40 can be divisible by 7, 21 can be also divisible by 7, 28 can also be divisible by 7. So according to this way I will write. Okay, student. So further I will write this 98 is the last term of this sequence. So I will check what is the common difference of these two consecutive numbers. Okay, students. So here I will find common difference. Common difference. Common difference of the given information. So I will subtract 21 minus 14, that will be 7. Again I will write 28 minus 21, that is 7. In other words, we can say that this is the information written as common difference. So second term minus first term, this is also third term minus second term. So its value is same. It means that this series, this sequence, which is also existing in AP series. So if this is available in AP series, so I will use the concept of arithmetic progression, that is I will apply the concept of unit term of an AP series for calculating the number of terms. How many terms will be from 14 to 98, and that term, that number will be divided by 7. Okay, students. So above information I am going to erase. After erasing, and I will calculate the number of terms. I will calculate here how many numbers. So I will calculate the number of terms. Okay, students. So for the above data I am going to erase for further calculation. Okay, students. So these informations I am going to erase. So here I will write unit term of an AP series. So that unit term, here I will write unit term of an AP is, that unit term of AP is an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, because unit term is given, that is available 98. Unit term is the last term. Last term is also written as an, which is equal to l, and its formula will be same, and its value is given here 98. So this information, this value I will use here, and also I will put the value of a, d. Here the value of a is 14, and the common difference is also calculated here 7. So I will also write here the value of a, which is the first term, that value will be 14. Here I have written, and the common difference, it is denoted by small d, and that value is 7. Okay, students. So further I will put the value of a, which is equal to 98, and the value of a, which is equal to 14, and the value of d, which is available 7. So this information I will say this is the equation number 1, and I will put this value in equation number 1, and after putting this value I will get the value of n. So that will be the number of term. Okay, student. So that information I have to put here. Okay, student. Now below data I am going to erase, and I will write one statement, and that statement I will follow, and after following I will evaluate equation number 1, and after evaluating equation number 1, and then I will get the value of n, and that will be the number. That will be the number, and that number is also asked in the question. Okay, student. So further I am going to write one statement here. Now here I have to write now on putting the values, because here 1 2 3 values are available. Putting values of an, comma a and b in equation number 1, and then we get, here we have to write we get. Okay, student. So the value of an, that is last term, and that the value of an and last term is an is equal to a plus in the bracket I have to write here n minus 1 into d. Now an is also known as here, that is last term. Here I have to write here. Okay student, so that n is an, and that value will be as a plus in the bracket I have to write n minus 1 into d. Now the value of a is written here 98, and the value of a is 14, that is first term, and a is the first term and d is the common difference, and its value is here 7. Okay student, so this value I will put in equation number 1. After putting I will simplify. After simplifying I will get the value of n, that is divided in the question. Okay student, now further I am going to erase above data. After erasing above data, and then I will simplify. Now here I am going to put the value of a, which is equal to 98. Now the value of a, that is a value of 14, so here I have to put value of a is 14. Now in the bracket I have to write n minus 1, and the value of d, which is available here 7, so I have to put here 7. Now below data I am going to erase part for the calculation. Okay students, if you are understanding very well, so you like this live video, and also you subscribe this educational channel, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can improve their knowledge on this topic. They can update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay students, now further we concentrate on this video for solving this question. Now here I have to write 98 minus 40, which is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Okay, I will subtract 14 from 19. So here will be 4 and here will be 8. Here will be 8, and then I have to write 4, and here will be 8, and here I have to write n minus 1 into 7. Okay students, for this information I am going to put in left hand side, and this information I am going to put in right hand side. After putting, there will no change. Therefore I am going to there will no change in the question. So therefore I am going to put it. So I will write n minus 7 in n minus 1 into 7, which is equal to 84. So there will be no any change. Now further I have to write n minus 1, which is equal to 84 divided by 7. Okay student, so I will say that will be 7. Now further I am going to resolve. Okay student, now here it is en minus 1, which is equal to, I will put here 7 1 the 7. Here I will say 7 1 the 7, and 1 is equal to 7 to the 14. Okay students, so here I will write 12. Here I have to write 12. So now further I have to write n minus 1, which is equal to 12. Therefore I will say n is equal to 12 plus 1, n is equal to 13. Okay student, so number of terms will be 13. So two digit numbers will be 13 from 10 to 99. So in the given question asked, you tell me how many numbers will be of two digit, and those are divisible by 7. So I have got only 13 number will be there from 10 to 99, and those 13 numbers will be divisible by 7. Okay student, so this is the answer, and that answer I will write in words. Okay student, so further I am going to erase this information, because each and every student has know this information very clear way. Okay student, Now I am going to erase, and this information I will write in words. So I will write there are 13 terms, yet 13 numbers, and those are divisible by 7. Okay, students. So further I will write information in word. So I will write here there are only 13 terms of 2 digits which are divisible by by 7. Okay, student. So this is the answer, and this answer can be written in this form or in word form. Okay, student. This is the final answer, and this is the final answer of the given question. So according to this way, any question which are given in arithmetic progression, that question can be solved according to this way. Okay, student. So you have to take patience for solving it. So first of all, you have to read clearly the question, and those informations are available in word form, and those information you have to write in mathematical form after you writing, and you have to use concept of arithmetic progression, and then you will make linear equation in 2 variables, and then you have to solve. After solving, you will get the result. So this is the required way for solving it. Okay, student. If you are getting good knowledge on this topic, so you like this live video, and also you share this live video, and also you should subscribe this live channel with your colleagues, friend and student, and also friends that is colleagues, student friends, and they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. And topic name is arithmetic progression, that is written in short form, that is in ABCD. Okay, student. Now this is very easy way for solving. Okay, student. Each and every question can be solved. Infinite number of solutions can be solved with the help of infinite number of solutions. So I have given one solution from those solutions. Okay, student. So I hope that you are doing very well. If you will have any query or question or numericals or doubt, so you ask with comment. I will see your comment positively. I will reply. Okay, student. Further, I am going to say always you present on this time, that is 10:02, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past to 8 p.m. That will depend on question, because if question will take time, so I will give time. Without solving, I will not disconnect the communication with you. Okay, student. So positively you follow it, and positively you take the advantage of this free online coaching classes, that is starting from 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past to 8 p.m. Always. Only Sunday will be up. Always I will present on the same time slot, and within same time slot you follow positively, and each question of the mathematics you can solve, because each and every concept I will elaborate, that is I will explain in detail. Okay, student. So thank you for watching this live video with me. Okay, student. Jai Hind.